Hello, my fellow Amigans. It's Cardinal here, sharing some interesting things from my collection. This is Amazing Amiga, Volume 8, Number 3, from March of 1993, all about Babylon 5. And, of course, the video toaster. Then, we have Amazing Amiga, Volume 11, Number 6, June 1996. And this one's all about Workbench and how you can change things around. And then we have Amazing Amiga, Volume 11, Number 10, October 96, about Final Writer and some other cool stuff. And please like, share, and subscribe, and share the link out with your friends. This is Cardinal Sin, and I'm out.